When doing a usability test, I chose to compare Idaho Fish and Game's webpage to Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife's webpage. Both of these are web pages for people who hunt and fish, and they're used to buy your license, look at rules and regulations, and things like that to help you get in the outdoors. One of the main differences between the two was the ability to buy a license. Both of them you could buy the license, but they just had small key differences. For example, on the Idaho Fish and Game webpage, you just go under license and then buy online. Once this loads, then it brings you to a page where you log into your account. If you're a first-time buyer, you have to do a never purchase a license from Idaho Fish and Game and enroll now. This is the one thing that's a lot different between this webpage and the ODF and W webpage. Here you got to fill in a bunch of different information and then submit to go on to the next step. Where the Oregon Department of Fish and Game or Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife Service, all you have to do is click buy a license. Then you just put your hunter or angler ID number, which is an ID number that comes on your previous hunting license. Then you can go through and buy whatever license and thing you need. I think due to the simplicity of Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife's setup, I preferred it more. However, I'm sure with Idaho Fish and Game, if you used it year in and year out, that having an actual login to put in all that information would be better. But for the first time use, it is a little bit more complicated. Thank you.